Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to look at the Vantrue N4 dash camera. And this camera is very unique because obviously it's got your front-facing camera, it's got a interior camera, and an optional rear camera as well. But I'll talk a little bit about that later. So this is the unboxing part. First thing, let's get that out of the way, is all the pamphlets and startup guide. No one likes to read that stuff because I sure the heck ain't. This next box I'm going to grab with my sausage fingers is the dash camera itself. And that's where all the magic is going to happen. Look at that sucker right there. Whew. What a sexy beast. Now we're going to speed this up because nobody wants to see everything. So we got the cable that runs to the back, the rear camera, piece of paper. That will be the plug-in for the camera itself. Even has an extra USB for your phone. And then that is your suction cup and cable. Pretty simple, eh? This is where the dreams were shattered. I was so hoping I could use this on my Jeep, but unfortunately you guys know the Jeep has a very flat window, and with the way that mount is designed, the camera just will not work. But as you can see right there, it's pretty cool because the inside camera, you can obviously adjust it, just like you can adjust the outside pointing camera by its angle on the suction cup. And that is the rear view camera. And the only reason why I'm not going to install it is because my rear windows are tinted, so I don't think it's going to matter. So one thing I don't like is that when you want to get into the menu, you got to stop the recording, and I press the OK button to do so. But there's all your files, record setup, system setup. You go through language, format SD card, time and date. Go into record, setup. The resolution, I just got front and cabin, but you got all your options. So 30 frames per second. You got your timer for loop recording, G sensor. All that stuff, and then files, which will probably be a ton. You can scroll through right there, manually go through whatever, but we can look over the files for sure now. Alrighty, now comes the meat and potatoes. You're gonna see the camera images, nighttime, daytime, just so you guys can get an idea. I'm actually very impressed with this camera. The video quality is really good. It just makes me so sad that it would not fit in my Jeep or work in my Jeep, because I think this would be the ultimate dash camera for taking out in the bush and that. But enjoy the clips. Stop, get some fuel. And we're going to try out the audio in this dash camera. I don't suspect the audio is going to be too much to brag about. Never is in these dash cameras. Fueling up with some good old Shell fuel. Gonna hit it back on the freeway, head south. All in all, I think this is going to be one of my favorite dash cameras. So if you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. What do you guys think? It's pretty good, in my opinion.